na may sariling na may save na layunin. Now, ito ang sasabihin ko. Napaka-importante as to why we are doing this. This is very significant. Because if you know what happened to Venezuela, because of their corrupt leaders, if you know what happened to Ukraine, because their leader associated with the US of A and put EDCA bases on their country and they become a sacrificial lamb. Gusto nyo bang maging isang Ukraine? Kaya, ngayong araw, no one is coming to save us. Not even His Excellency, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. We have to understand, as much as Duterte set the bar really, really high, he is not our savior. He was the spark. And we are the reckoning. Kailangan tayo ng ating bansa. Walang pupunta dito na magsasalba. Tayo ang magsasalba sa bayan. Now, hindi pwedeng rally-rally lang to. Hindi pwedeng walang managot. Hindi pwedeng walang makulong. Ano to? Dahil ba sinuli nila yung 60 billion sa excess fund affiliate? Ganon-ganon na lang? Walang free pass dito. Kung magnanakaw ka, dapat kang makulong. Bakit? Patatawarin ko ba ang mga kriminal na nanggahasa sa akin nung ako'y 5 taon? Hindi. Ang kriminal ay kriminal at dapat managot by hook or by crook. Now, patatawarin ko ba na lang ba ang mga taong nagtanggol, nagprotesta noong ako'y i-attempt na gahasain noong 2023? Hindi. Dahil by hook or by crook, dapat may hustisya.